Alright, this is the house tour video. I meant to do this when it first got set up for the sale, but I forgot, so a bit messier than it was. That's the double carport, front yard. Front yard used to be fucking rainforest, but we pulled all that out because Dad hates the world. Put this retaining wall in, paid concreters to do the bit of concreting. And that's a double garage with a bathroom, laundry in the back of it. Okay. Good boy.
Quite an important role in the Presbyterian Church.
Lounge.
But he was also quite an influential person outside of the church.
Well, we could start with some documentation.
Dining.
Here we have.
And then the family through there, building bar.
Okay. Hard to read.
Master bedroom. Master bedroom's got an aircon. And walk-in robe. And toilet, which we renovated. Dad tiled. Dad did all the tiling. So that's the family room. We paid someone to replace the kitchen. It's also all been repainted. Oh, it's going out of focus. Turn that light on for me, would you, Poppy? Light, turn it on for me, please. All new everything. Alright, thank you. I'm just making me home tour video. This is the veranda. Used to be a pool out there. Yeah, that was fun. Wouldn't have pulled it out if I knew we were moving. And it's a nice little veranda now. Butchie. Say hello, Butchie. Say hello, Butchie. Very good, Butch. And that's Bones. Bones and Butch. Laundry. Bedroom number 2. I pulled the blinds because the light goes into where I'm playing my computer. Nice big backyard. It's on 1,019 square metre block, so pretty good block. Bedroom 3, which is my bedroom. Puss puss. It's also got an aircon and a fan. My bathroom and toilet. We did all this. Bedroom 4, which is it's a bit of a funny bedroom because it's got a door out to the rumpus out of it. And the rumpus, which used to be where I lived, and that room I just came out of was my kitchen. And then my bathroom was out in the shed. That's just a temporary little wall I can pull out with I take a couple of screws out when it was on display. That's my second yard, so I had privacy. I could shut the gate, and that was my own little yard. So it was like a granny flat. I just had my own kitchen and shit and bathroom and laundry out here. Fully secured. Cat can't even get out of the yard. We'll have a look at the Okay, yeah, may as well do it now since we saw the rest of the yard. That's rest of the fucking yard. Behind there is the drainage for the property, because it does slope a bit from the front to the back. This is a fully council approved shed. Had to get the plumbing approved and everything, so it's fully legit. Can fit 2 cars in here. Our 2 cars anyway. Got 10 metres of space. At the moment it's just got my trailer. And a fuck ton of fucking shit. Fucking hell. We're going to be hard pressed to store all this shit when we move. Because we've got too much shit. Way too much shit. Tools, 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 tools. Screws, fucking everything. Oh, better turn that off. That's the edge of the fence there, 1 metre from the window. And then this was the bathroom. Me and Dad built, mainly Dad. Lovely big shower. Sharing laundry. I built these shelves. I was going to paint them, but since we're selling, fuck it. I put exhaust fans in every bathroom and toilet because steam's not good and neither is the smell of shit. So there we go. That's the tour.